Well, good morning, everybody. We are back at it this morning, and we are continuing on going up. What our goal is today is that we are putting in another support because we need to jack up the floor joists up here and get them in their correct position, and then we need to add a new one right along there.
I have to make, here's our laser level line, all these joists at 91 7/8.
91 7/8.
This one's gotta be a 91 7/8. And 91 7/8. It is, so that was good. Go step in the hole, Frank.
Don't step in the hole.
Had to uncover the hole
We
so
had
I
to.
could put the jack there.
Oh, yeah.
But it's sturdy
Yeah.
because it's encased in concrete and that in.
Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
Oh, do we have to jack this one? When I just kind of temporarily did it, I'm pretty sure this one needed it. So yep, this one needs to go up about 3/8 of an inch.
3/8 of an inch. Okay.
And then we can put that last floor joist in here where there isn't one.
Right along there.
And we'll jiggy bond it and everything.
That's fun.
Fire! Bond, fire, and oil.
Yep.
And the oil, we'll oil it after. Because sometimes you ask, do you oil it before or after? It's after.
Because I did it before. Alright, there it goes.
Oh, this is just the jack post.
Right. But for our faithful followers, they see a lot of those.
Jack posts?
Yeah.
Yep.
But Miss Mooreland needs them.
So that's where it needs to be. But is that where it's going to stay when I let the jack down?
I don't know. Okay, so you put some shims
I
under
put
it?
some shims under it. Now it's just a little bit away. I think I need a couple more shims.
Nothing like the smell of fresh pine.
How do you know
Pine.
this isn't Douglas fir?
It's pine, is it not?
I don't know.
Isn't Douglas fir a pine tree?
Probably. Carrie's gonna shoogie bond the ends of these boards about a foot in so we can, baby,
Yeah.
you press the thing and it goes. There you go. Pull it all the way. Fire that puppy. You're fired. No self-respecting termite will ever want to chew on that. And it quit absorbing water. In theory.
As you can see, I got it oiled. The ends have wicked up just about as much as they can wick up. And so we're just going to let that dry a little bit, and then Frank will put it in. Frank is working on prep work to get that new floor joists in here. Cleaning out some mortar, rocks, mortar. Getting all that cleaned up so we can get that in there, get it in place, and so we can continue up. We want to keep going up.
Up and up and up, because there's a whole bunch of rocks that go right here.
Yeah, so we can get all that done before it gets
Biggins.
Yeah, that'll be fun. So all those need to still be cleaned and stuff, but that's later. Today we're here.
One step at a time.
One step at a time, one board at a time, one brick, one stone, one rock.
This is blocking.
Blocking. It's what the new 2x12 is going to go up against. Trying to get the screws in the right spot for the blocking. Yep.
Baby, baby, baby.
That's me. Trying to get this thing in place with everything else we have in place. Makes for...
Like the house.
Yeah.
Sometimes when the house is in the way, it's harder to do.
Yeah. Because she's kind of a little bit in the way. That might work better. Because it's going to rip our tarp a little bit. There we go. And it slides.
That's where it should go.
Tucked back in that pocket right there. All right, that's exciting. One more thing back in place that we don't have to touch again once it gets there.
One more thing replaced.
Well,
not even just back in place.
True.
That's one that when we were doing the floor below, we didn't know it, but that floor joist down below, we had been stepping on it to do stuff, and one day I went to step on the old one and it just broke and went right down to that concrete thing on the bottom floor.
We're like, oops.
I was like, well, I'm glad we didn't
put a lot of...
didn't do it before.
Yeah, exactly. Safety first, second, and third, Frank.
Amen, sister.
Okay, Frank's going to fasten that 2x12 into place. And do you know what that is, baby?
Yes, it's a 2x12.
No, it's another permanent fix.
Well, we have been doing lots of those lately.
I know, but it's another permanent fix, something we won't have to touch again. Well,
so
now
it'll be behind concrete and...
Yep.
We won't be able to get to it.
That's why it's a permanent fix. That's why we got to do it right the first time.
If you don't have time to do it right the first time, you certainly don't have time to do it again.
No. Well, we cut and bent the rebar and got it in there all ready to go. Now we just have to build some forms, and Frank figured out we need 40 more bags of concrete, right?
Just for this pour, yeah.
Just for this pour. So we have a lot of
water jugs to go find.
Yeah.
A lot of water jugs.
And we got
to fix that.
And we have to fix that. Okay, it's form time. We are starting to create the forms for this area right in here. And It's a tedious process, but we're starting this. Working on the forms for that area up there, reusing some of the ones we've already used, trying to make it a little bit easier. So we're making progress. Alrighty. What do you say, Frank?
I don't think I'll have a blowout.
That's good. We don't want a blowout.
Oh, I ain't doing that again. No. At least I wouldn't have to redo any stone on this one.
That's true.
But
we're
getting closer.
Yes, we are. And we've got the spray foam right there, and it will go into all those little cracks that you see up in there. But
first thing in the morning.
after we fix the cement mixer.
Oh yeah. And get cement.
And get cement.
Concrete.
Yep, we need a few more bags.
One other bag, pallet.
One more pallet.
For being, this says it's 64 in here.
It's warmish.
It's warmish.
It's warmish.
Because our windows.
Yes,
We got windows.
our vinyl windows.
Oh yeah, vinyl windows.
Vinyl windows.
We went ahead and put vinyl windows in it. That's a good one, Greg.
I thought so. All right, we're finishing up the form with some spray foam so it doesn't have a blowout anywhere. And then tomorrow we pour. There.
For tomorrow.
Yeah, pour tomorrow.
For tomorrow.
Yep. What are you doing, Frank?
Dealing with one of the struggles of having an off-grid castle. Because when you have to mix concrete, you have to have water. And to get water to an off-grid castle,
We have to put it in our chariot.
yep, not the easiest way, but it's what we can do right now. So we need about 40
Well, we have
40 something gallons of water to do 40 bags. It takes
Yeah.
almost a gallon each.
Yeah.
We have some down there already. But that's how we get the water to the Mooreland House.
Getting ready for the concrete pour. Got the tarp down. Frank's working on fixing the mixer.
It was just this. The square key came out of the gear. No biggie.
All right, I gotta go get the toolbox so we can continue on.
After our labors are o'er, will be given on the eternal shore. Home of the soul, beautiful home, there we shall rest, never to roam, free from all care, happy and bright. Jesus is there, He is the light. Oft in the storm, lonely are we, sighing for home, longing for Thee. Beautiful home of the ransom beside the crystal sea, the crystal sea. Yes, the sweet rest is remaining for the true children of God, where there will be no complaining, never a chastening rod. Home of the soul, beautiful home, there we shall rest, never to roam, free from all care, happy and bright. Jesus is there, He is the light. Oft in the storm, lonely are we, sighing for home, longing for Thee. Beautiful home of the ransom beside the crystal sea, the crystal sea. Soon the bright homeland adorning, we shall behold the glad dawn. Lean on the Lord till the morning, trust till the night has gone. Home of the soul, beautiful home, there we shall rest, never to roam, free from all care, happy and bright. Jesus is there, He is the light. Oft in the storm, lonely are we, sighing for home, longing for Thee. Beautiful home of the ransom beside the crystal sea, the crystal sea.
We got done just as the sun was coming this way. So that's a good thing. We got it done in shadow. We'll probably put a tarp over that so the sun doesn't bake it. Putting in some more rebar as we go up. Alrighty. Very good. Well, we got it poured, babe.
When it rains, we don't pour.
No. Alright. What are you doing? Mimi?